All right, welcome back to the Don't Quit Your Job Yet, the show where I teach you how to build a profitable business while keeping your 9 to 5. I'm Mark Casto, the guy you hire to leave your 9 to 5, and today we're tackling one of the most important parts of growing your business, marketing. Now here's the thing, marketing doesn't have to be overwhelming. You don't need to be on every platform or use every tactic. What you need is a simple, clear marketing plan that gets results. So in this episode, I'm going to show you how to create a straightforward marketing plan that actually works. Whether you're just starting out or you're looking to refine your approach, let's dive in. Let's start with why most marketing plans fail. Many entrepreneurs struggle with marketing because they, number one, try to do too much at once, which always leads to burnout. Secondly, they lack focus and consistency, which confuses their audience. And then thirdly, they don't track what's working, so they waste time on ineffective tactics. So let me give you our first wisdom quote for this episode. A good marketing plan is about clarity, not complexity. Let's simplify your strategy so you can focus on what works. Next thing I want to talk about is you have to know your ideal customer. Marketing starts with knowing who you're talking to. If you don't know your audience, you can't create content or offers that speaks to their need. Ask yourself, who is my ideal customer? What problem are they trying to solve? And thirdly, where do they spend their time online? Let me give you a pro tip here. Create a customer avatar that includes their goals, challenges, and where they hang out. This is going to guide everything that you do in your marketing. Ready for another wisdom quote? Speak to one person and you'll connect with many. That's a really powerful strategy, trust me. Step number 2, we need to pick one core platform. You don't need to be on every social media platform. Choose one that aligns with your audience and your strengths. So for example, Instagram, it's great for visual brands and personal connections. LinkedIn is perfect for business to business or B2B or professional audiences. Facebook, it's ideal for building groups and communities. And once you've mastered one platform, you can expand to the others, but just get really good at one. Here's another wisdom quote. Focus on doing one thing well before you try to do anything else. And step number 3 is you want to plan your content strategy. Consistency is key to marketing success. Here's a simple framework for your content. You ready? Number 1, you got to educate. You got to teach your audience something valuable. Secondly, need to inspire. Share your story or motivate your audience in some way. Thirdly, you need to invite them. Include clear calls to action to take the next step, like joining your email list or buying your product or following for more. Here's a pro tip. Use content themes to make planning easier. So for example, on Mondays, you could do an educational tip. On Wednesdays, you could do behind the scenes or a personal story. And on Friday, you can do a promotional post with a clear call to action. Here's another wisdom quote for you. Content is the bridge between attention and action. And then let's go on to step number 4. You need to use lead magnets to build your email list. Your email list is your most valuable marketing asset because it gives you direct access to your audience. So let me give you some simple strategy on how to grow your list. Number 1, you need to create a simple lead magnet, like a checklist or a guide or a free training. Secondly, you need to promote it regularly on your core platform. And thirdly, you need to use email sequences to nurture your subscribers and build trust. Here's a wisdom quote for you. Your email list is the foundation of a business that lasts. I've heard it said, if you don't have an email list, you don't have a business. Step number 5, we want to track and adjust. Marketing isn't a set it and forget it thing. You need to regularly review what's working and tweak your strategy. Here's what to track. Number 1, you need to be tracking engagement, the likes, comments, shares. Track all of that. Secondly, you need to be tracking lead conversions. How many people joined your email list? And thirdly, you need to be tracking your sales. How many leads turned into paying customers? When you use these insights to double down on what's working and let go of what's not, that's where you're going to see acceleration and growth. Here's another wisdom quote. The best marketing plans evolve with your audience. Let me give you a call to action for this video. Here's your homework, okay? Number 1, you need to define your ideal customer and pick one core platform to focus on. Secondly, you need to create a simple content strategy that educates, inspires, and invites. Thirdly, you need to promote a lead magnet to start growing your email list. And guys, if you want a proven roadmap to grow your business, I want you to join my free masterclass on discovering the 3 secrets that I learned on my way to a $15,000 a month creating and selling digital products. The link is below. Also, if you're ready to take the next step and you say, Mark, I want a digital product, I want to launch an online business, I'm the guy you hired to leave your 9 to 5. I'm going to show you the way out, and I'm going to show you the way forward. Once you click that link below, book a discovery call with me right now. Click the link, schedule a time. I'd love to get on a call with you, discuss where you're at, some of your goals, some of your challenges, and see if it's a good fit for us to work together. Guys, we're helping people launch digital products. We just in the past week had 2 people release a brand new books into the market, and one that was a #1 release on Amazon. So it's pretty cool what's going on in this community. So click that link and book a call with me today. I'll see you in the next podcast.